Out in the wild, survival depends on doing the essentials well. You need shelter, water, and food. These elements are crucial for survival. Standardized work is like that in a factory. It's about figuring out the best way to do a job and then making sure everyone does it that same way every single time. This is super important for lean manufacturing. It helps to eliminate waste. Make sure everything runs smoothly. Think of it like building a fire. You wouldn't just throw sticks and logs together. You'd carefully build it for maximum heat. That's what standardized work does for your factory. Standardized work isn't about treating people like robots. It's about giving them the best tools and methods. This helps them to succeed. When everyone is on the same page, things run smoother. It's about teamwork and efficiency, just like surviving in the wild. Now let's break down standardized work. It has three key elements. These are like the essential tools in your survival kit. First up, takt time. This is the heartbeat of your operation. It tells you how often you need to make a product to meet customer demand. The formula is simple. Takt time equals available work time divided by customer demand. Imagine you're collecting rainwater. You need to collect enough to last until the next rainfall. Takt time is like knowing how much water you need and when to collect it. Next we have work sequence. This is the order of operations. Each step in the process is important. It's like following the right steps to build a fire. You wouldn't light the kindling before the tinder, right? Finally, we have standard in process stock. This is the minimum amount of material you need between each work step. Too much, and you're wasting resources. Too little, and you risk stopping the flow. It's about finding the right balance. Think of it like carrying just enough water on a hike. You don't want to carry too much, but you also don't want to run out. In the wild, your most valuable asset is yourself. You need strength and knowledge to survive. In a factory, your manpower is your biggest asset. It's all about having the right people in the right place at the right time. This is crucial for success. Focusing on assigned manpower is essential. It helps you to optimize your resources. This leads to higher productivity. It also balances the workload, and it reduces variability in output. When everyone has a clear role, things run smoothly. Section 4. Tools for success, measuring and balancing work. To master standardized work, you need the right tools. These tools help you to analyze and improve your processes. One such tool is work measurement. This involves analyzing each step of the process. You can then identify areas for improvement. Line balancing is another important tool. It helps to distribute work evenly across the process. For example, let's say one worker is overloaded while another has idle time. Line balancing helps to even out the workload. This improves efficiency and reduces bottlenecks. We also have visual tools like Yamazumi charts and standard work combination tables. These charts provide a clear visual representation of the work process. They help to identify areas for improvement. They also make it easier to train new employees. Section 5. Putting it all together. An assembly line example. Let's imagine an assembly line for a simple product. The demand requires one product every 60 seconds. This means our takt time is 60 seconds. We use work measurement to break down each step. We then use line balancing to make sure each workstation can meet the takt time. We use Yamazumi charts to visualize the work. This helps to ensure a smooth and efficient process. We also use standard work combination tables to track the standard work for each operator. This ensures everyone is following the same process. By optimizing our assigned manpower, we can meet the required takt time. This results in a smooth and efficient assembly line. Section 6. Conclusion, efficiency and beyond. The power of standardized work. Mastering standardized work is not just about efficiency. It's about creating a culture of continuous improvement. By focusing on assigned manpower, you empower your workforce. You also improve safety, and you create a more engaged and productive work environment. Remember, in the wild, survival depends on adaptation and teamwork. The same goes for the factory floor. So embrace standardized work. It's your key to survival and success in the competitive world of manufacturing.